dedication and total commitment predicated on hard work, which showcases integrity, patriotism, and an excellent work product that benefits the common good rarely goes unnoticed. Much like the outstanding government workers/recipients of the Civil Service Commission's annual Gawad Lingkod Bayan Awards, who the President hailed and praised through his surrogate and executive secretary in ceremonies at Malacanang earlier today. Our Kenneth Pasyente has more.
Remain disciplined, excellent, and patriotic. This was the call of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to government workers during 2025 Gawad Lingkod Bayani. During the event, individuals and groups were recognized for their outstanding performance, unwavering dedication, and innovative contributions to public service that have helped strengthen communities, advance governance reforms, achieve scientific breakthroughs, and promote national development. In the President's message read by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, it was emphasized that these recognitions are meant to honor government workers who quietly yet effectively carry out their duties for the good of their communities.
Ipinagdiriwang natin sa araw na ito ang puso ng pamahalaan, ang mga kawaning tahimik na naglilingkod para sa sambayan ng Pilipino at sa bansa. Sa Civil Service Commission Honor Awards Program, kinikilala natin ang mga kawani ng gobyerno na mahusay sa kanilang tungkulin at huwaran sa prinsipyo. Hindi namin may kakaila na sa pamahalaan, mas madalas nating napapansin ang mga nasa matataas na posisyon. Ngunit alam naman nating lahat na sa bawat programa na ipapatupad at serbisyo na ihahatid, naroroon ang sipag at malasakit ng mga lingkod bayan katulad ninyo.
The award is also proof that while there may be a few who abuse power, there are still many who serve in government with honesty and integrity.
Para sa lahat ng tumanggap ng parangal ngayon, kayo ang patunay na ang diwa ng tapat na paglilingkod ay buhay sa ating pamahalaan. Sa gitna ng dilim at ingay, kayo ang hibla ng liwanag na nagbibigay pag-asa sa ating sambayanan. Kayo ang patunay na maraming mabubuting empleyado sa ating pamahalaan. Kayo ang patunay na hindi kailangan maging tanyag upang tumulong sa bayan. At kayo ang patunay na anumang antas ng tungkulin, may kakayahang ang bawat isa na maglingkod ng may dangal.
During the ceremony, 24 individuals and 6 groups were honored under 3 categories: Gawad Lingkod Bayan ng Pangulo, Gawad Dangal ng Bayan, and Gawad Pag-asa. The awardees received medals, trophies, and cash prizes ranging from 100,000 pesos to 200,000 pesos each. The Civil Service Commission assured that its reforms will continue to further strengthen the capabilities of civil servants in modern era. It also stressed its steadfast belief in the ability and resilience of more than 2 million government workers serving in various agencies and offices across the country.
Dapat po nating laging isaisip na kahit maraming mga kawatan, tamad at walang hiya sa pamahalaan, na nagnanakaw hindi lang ng kayamanan ng bayan, kundi pati na rin ng tiwala ng mamamayan sa pamahalaan. Higit at higit pang nakararami sa ating mga kawani sa serbisyo sibil ang may hiya at marangal, matino at tahimik na nagtatrabaho upang pagsilbihan ng walang pag-iimbot ang ating mga mamamayan.
Kenneth Pasyente from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.